to Kuching, the charming cat city. Join us as we take you on a tour of our cozy apartment, explore the morning market, savor the best vegetarian dishes in town, and indulge in the mouth-watering Sarawakian specialty, coral meat. Let us show you the hidden gem of this city and immerse yourself in its unique culture and traditions. Get ready to be enhanced by the beauty and the warmth of Kuching.
This is our apartment in Kuching. It's $18 a night. It's about 2 kilometers from the city center, which is that way. Here's the bathroom. It's okay.
It's very nice.
Oh, it's really new. It has the desk so I can make videos or whatever.
Yes.
It looks like maybe queen size bed.
Yeah, it's one for 6.
It's got a fridge.
Yeah.
Let's see. There's the kitchen. There's a range top. Some silverware.
Oh, it's
microwave.
microwave.
I wonder if it has a water boiler. There's the rice cooker and the water boiler. That's our minimum.
Yeah.
Minimum requirements. Plates, bowls. What's in here? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, well. Very basic, but it fits our needs. Oh, there's a iron and a blow dryer in the closet over there.
Yes.
$18. What do you think?
Very good.
Very nice, huh?
Yeah.
You know, everything we found online was a little more than we wanted to spend, so we used some of our tricks to find a cheaper place. I have a report on that, how to find perfect apartments around the world with Vagabond Buddha. All right, let's get our luggage and move in. So that tall building right there is where we're staying, and we just walk a little ways down to this little bus stop Chung's walking to, so we can get the bus to the grocery store and the vegetarian food. We found this really delicious, and it's just bus here in Sarawak. We're in the city of Kuching. It's 1 ringgit for a bus ride, which is about 20 cents. Rode the bus to this vegetarian place, and it's amazing how many choices they have. It's pure veg, and a bunch of people in line here. So here's the place, Health Food Vegetarian Cafe. And it's like everyone's coming here and getting, it's too early for lunch really. So it's like people are all in line getting their take-home lunch. Oh, is that soy jerky?
Yeah.
How cool.
We got the spicy
go for it.
roasted
Yeah.
and spicy.
Nice. I've never had a soy jerky. I love the Southeast Asia is just like a treasure trove if you're a vegetarian, or if you're trying to cut back on all the meats that cause the heart disease and all that. Let's see how much all this is. Beef jerky, soy jerky. It's gonna be
4块、4块、5、6块、6块、8块、3块、10块1包。
So I've never had soy jerky before. By the way, these are 10 each, these jerkies. That means that the 2 meals was 40, which is like $8. So that's like 2, 4, 6, 7. Let's say $2 a meal. We have enough for lunch and dinner. Wow. Soy.
It's good?
Right?
Yes. It's very good. It's like a real milk.
Like a real meat?
Yeah.
Just a little different than meat, but it's pretty close. So this is an H&L market, it's called. It's like a more local shopping. Chung found online. There's also a morning market just 100 meters from here. We'll check out. Prices look okay?
They said it's a cheaper one.
It is cheaper, I can already tell. So this is to give you an idea. We were the taxi driver said 120 here for water, which I don't know what that is, like 20 cents. Imagine that, 20 cents for 1.5 liters of water. Here's some peanuts we really love. They're like easily 10, maybe 15% off of the regular store prices. All kinds of nuts here. All kinds of, there's Milo, different kinds of cheese, tea, Quaker Oats for breakfast, Ovaltine, like the morning section. Those add water noodle things. Looks like those are breads, maybe? No? No, oh, it's more noodles. Noodle. And frozen foods. And upstairs they have all these other products like diapers and tissue and toilet paper, cups and plastics. Lots of stuff. Chicken? Oh. How much is the paper?
1 ringgit 60 cents.
1 ringgit, so like 30 cents. Imagine that. They still make newspapers in some parts of the world.
How much is it?
So next we're going for perishables here. Pasar SG period Mau, Salamat Datang. Oh. This is where the fruits, vegetables, meats are and stuff. Stuff that goes bad. Perishables. Are those tuna? That tuna, you think?
Yes, tuna. I think the fish is different.
Yeah.
And the fish is bigger.
Yeah. Oh, it's for pork? Yeah, this is non-halal area over here, so have to separate it out. Is that 7 room each? Or?
Yeah, and then 3 for, I think, 3 for
3 for 20?
We'll get a pear.
Pears?
Maybe I'll get this apple.
Oh, those look good, yeah. Korean Fuji. 3 for 10. So it's like 80 cents each or something. Kiwis. These must be mandarin orange maybe, I don't know. Wrong seller. Just some dragon fruit?
Yeah, 1 kilo is 40.
Is it white or red?
Red one.
Oh, that's the one she likes. And then there's 1 kilo, how much?
40, 1 cup.
14 per kilo. And this looks like a shark. Yeah, that's a shark.
Fish is more fresher.
Fish more fresher. What about the fruits and vegetables? The prices same to you or cheaper?
Not really, no, but I would see here is cheaper.
It's cheaper here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. We generally find that to be the case. Fresher and cheaper for the fruits and vegetables. Pretty big coconuts here. They put it in a cup like that. So we asked for 3. Hey, movie star. Thank you. They're young coconuts, so it's the inside's cooked. Oh, these are pretty big coconuts. They're Malaysian coconuts. It's more depending on the tree than the country, of course, but these are pretty big size. Here it's 3 for 10 ringgit. 10 ringgit's like $2.20 right now. If you get into the right little neighborhood, everything is within, you know, a couple hundred meters or yards of, by the way, meters and yards are similar, of where you live. So you don't ginger, you don't really have to do much. You just take a nice little walk and get fresh food every day. It's a good life, and it's pretty cheap. If you go to the shopping malls with the carts and the air conditioning and all that, you're going to spend easily 20-30% more, sometimes more than that even.
Is 2 ringgit and 70 cents.
2 ringgit 70 cents for her milk tea, which is, I don't know, 55 cents maybe US. And then we're in like a little neighborhood restaurant here. She ordered a noodle dish that this place is known for. It's going to be another buck. There's Chung's pork noodle dish. And let's see, after she tastes it, we'll let you know.
They have 2 colors of the noodle, and I choose this one is a white one, another one is a red color.
Red colored noodles, huh? So the way these businesses work, they're often called hawker stations. There's each of these carts is independently owned and operated. Some grandma got a cart and started making food, and then the store we're in has a drink station, which is over there, and everyone who comes in here has to buy a drink, and then also the little carts pay rent every month, and so he's the only one selling drinks, and that's how he makes his money, plus the rent. And then these places individually get to be known in the neighborhood, and which ones make the best food, and the ones that make the best food, of course, sell more. So that's how this works, and it's pretty cheap usually, anywhere from $1 to $2. Usually less than 2 for most of these places, unless it's heavy on meat or something especially. Many businesses, shopping malls, and this is like a neighborhood strip market kind of place. They always have a temple, often small, sometimes big. And this one's fairly large, beautiful too. So we just got off our 4th bus ride today since we've been in Kuching, and we haven't waited 5 minutes. It's been less than 5 minutes, less than it would take to ride an Uber or a Grab, they call them here, or Maxim,
Yeah, Maxim.
or AirAsia. More of these taxi apps all the time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button and comment, because it really does help. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening time, or whatever time it is for you. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.